Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as of right now, and I've used this word in the past videos, but consolidation is, the best way to describe this. And consolidation will remain the case as long as the price is below that purple line up there at 10,200 and up above that green line right there at 9,600. So that's really the first question to ask. And let's just go with, let's say you're watching this Sunday afternoon. So Sunday afternoon, you're watching this. Question number one becomes, where is the price at relative to these two areas? And if you're answering the question that the price is just simply between these areas, so in other words, below 10,200, however, up above 9,600, then one word summarizes all that, and that would just be consolidation. The price is continuing to consolidate, and there's really nothing else to report. Now, as far as, kind of worthwhile movements from the technical perspective, and that is why that question kind of will answer a lot, because if you're answering the question, hey, well, actually, Clay, the price is up above 10,200, well, that would be telling you that at that moment in time, a breakout has occurred from the top portion of this little channel that's forming. On the flip side, if you're saying, well, Clay, actually, the price is down below 9,600, well, at that point, that's telling you a breakdown has occurred. So coming back to the breakout, if you're answering the question that implies a breakout, meaning the price is up above 10,200, the next immediate question that you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at now relative to 10,800, which is being represented by this red line up there? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is also up above there, well, then that would be telling you that the bulls are having themselves a very, very impressive weekend. On the flip side of things, if you're answering the question, there's a breakdown, so the price is down below 9,600, the next immediate question you want to ask yourself about is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 9,000? And, the opposite is true. If you're somehow answering the question that the price is down below 9,000, well, that's just telling you that the bears are really, really having themselves a very, very solid weekend. So really it all, the kind of the linchpins regarding going into this weekend are that 10,200 mark and then the 9,600 mark. So it'll be very interesting to see if the price, how it reacts within regards to those couple levels, or if the price is just going to consolidate and continue to stay between them. It's looking like it'll be a very interesting weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.